Hello everybody, Seth here, Tourmaline Spring, and I am with Markos of 1010 PA. Now this is something that everybody in Maine needs to come check out if you haven't yet. It's a multicultural bakery extravaganza extraordinaire, and I'm going to let Markos tell a little bit about what they do here.
Yeah, thanks Seth. I'm Markos in 1010 PA. Traditional French pastry is really one of the stars of the show. We take a lot of international flavors and ingredients, and we love to mix and match, and if we can't fit it into one pastry, we fit it somewhere in the store. In addition to this, we have a takeout lunch that is sort of built around a build your own bento box option with sandwiches, rice balls, savory pastries. We also offer a little bodega of a lot of this international specialty foods. Many of these are things that we use in our own cooking and food prep. And we love to educate our customers too about the products, how to use them. We have a small wine selection. We're big fans of sake, Maine local beer, and of course other great Maine products, including Tourmaline spring water too.
Yes.
Yeah. We've been here for 3 years. This is a great neighborhood in East Bayside. It's the most diverse neighborhood in the entire state of Maine. We really try and embrace that and celebrate that, whether it's students at Portland Adult Ed across the street who are just learning English as new Americans, our friends in the Kennedy Park neighborhood, downtown, Munjoy Hill. We've got room for everyone here and all flavors.
Love it, love it. See, this is the kind of place that makes Maine, Portland, Maine, amazing. So again, come here, support these guys. They do it right, and they sell Tourmaline Spring. So
Thanks so
enjoy
much,
this
Seth.
wonderful food with the best water, and thank you guys for paying attention.